Let us look at this integration. We want to integrate x to the 5 divided by 2 minus x to the 6 all raised to the power of 7 dx. Now, what we have are two functions of x, one divided by the other. You know that when you have a function of x divided by another function of x, you could try integration by parts, but in this case, integration by parts will not work. Alright? Another option you have is to try integration by substitution. Now, this has two functions, one divided by another. Are you able to see where you could differentiate one function and get the next? If so, what I want you to do is pause the video and make a genuine attempt at this integration and then continue watching after. Okay, you're finished? Now let us see what we do here. Let's use integration by substitution. Let u be equal to 2 minus x to the 6. Okay? So basically what you're going to have is the integral of x to the 5 divided by u to the 7 dx. But remember now, we want to have a function in u, du, and hopefully to get rid of this x to the 5 by some means. Now if u is 2 minus x to the 6, then du by dx is equal to is negative 6 x to the 5. You have to remember the power rule in differentiation, alright? So dx then would be equal to du over negative 6x to the 5. So that's dx. So get rid of this and write our du over negative 6x to the 5. So it's du negative 6x to the 5. Alright? Now, here, what we will have is the integral of 1 over u to the 7, just rewriting it, du. What do we do with the x to the 5 now? We have x to the 5, then here we have another x to the 5, but in the denominator we have negative 6, so we could write times 1 over negative 6. Notice that x to the 5 will cancel x to the 5, alright? So what we have now is the integral of 1 over u to the 7 du times 1 over negative 6, which can be written as negative 1/6 integral of 1 over u to the 7 du. See that? Now, here, let's continue on this side. This is equal to negative 1/6 integral of u to the negative 7 du. This is going to be negative 1/6 u to the negative 7 plus 1 over negative 7 plus 1 plus c. See that? So it is negative 1/6 u to the negative 6 over negative 6 plus c, which is negative, well, what you're going to have is negative 1/6 times negative 1/6. You see? This here will multiply the 6. Then 1 over u to the 6th plus c. So we end up with a positive 1 over 36, 1 over u, but what was u again? U is 2 minus x to the 6. So we have 1 over 2 minus x to the 6 raised to the power of 6 plus c. So remember now, you must subscribe to the channel. I want you to share this video with anybody else who is doing integration. And any questions, comments, and so on, place it in the comment section.